On this episode of Make It with Calvin, we're out here on Caples Lake in El Dorado National Forest, and we're trying out some 3D printed grips for my kayak oars. Now, let's do some paddling and see how all these things work out, because holy crap, it might be cold out here, but this is just dang beautiful. Alright, it's time to launch off. Things are getting windy, so that means the lake is getting choppy, so this is going to be a little bit hairy, but I got faith I can do this. We are in. Let's go for it. Try and not get broadside to the waves. That's what did me in that one time. But, oh man. I do have to say though, these grips giving me a lot of confidence, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I sure beat what was on here before. And it's really helping me to maintain that grip on the oars and just paddle through this chop. Man. This is intense. This was definitely not planned. Yesterday in Carson it was quite windy and a couple of people actually lost their hats while we were operating, but